everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Cajun Chicken Lasagna. What all goes into the Cajun Chicken Lasagna? 1 16-ounce package of lasagna noodles, 1 pound andouille sausage quartered lengthwise and sliced. This is 12 ounces, so I have another pack that I will use a little bit out of it. 1 pound skinless, boneless chicken breast cubed, and this is almost 2 pounds, so I won't be using the whole thing of this. 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. This is homemade. I will leave the recipe and the link to the video in the description box down below. 1 teaspoon dried sage, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup chopped celery, 1/4 cup chopped red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 2 containers, 10 ounce each, of Alfredo sauce divided. This is 22 ounces, so I won't be using the whole thing, but I will divide it. 1.5 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. So let's begin. Take a large saucepan, fill it up with water, add some salt, and heat it up until boiling. While the water is coming up to a boil, take your 1 pound of cubed chicken, your 1 pound of andouille sausage. It's an awful lot of sausage, and that wasn't even actually a pound. And then the 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning and the 1 teaspoon of dried sage, and cook that until the chicken is no longer pink. This will take about 8 minutes. Now that the water is boiling, take the lasagna noodles and stick them in the water and cook them uncovered for 8 minutes. Preheat oven to 325. After your chicken is no longer pink, remove the mixture and put it aside, and that will leave a little bit of the grease, which we will need. Then take your 1/2 cup of onion, 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, your 1/2 cup of chopped celery. Saute the vegetables until tender. Once your lasagna noodles are done, take them off the heat and drain them. Then lay your lasagna noodles out on a baking dish so they don't stick together. Kind of hot. After the vegetables are sauteed, remove it from the heat, stir in the sausage mixture back into the pan. I'm going to dump in the garlic, which I should have dumped in with the veggies. Take your Alfredo sauce, or 10 ounces of it, and mix that in with the sausage mixture, and mix that all together. Then take 4 of the lasagna noodles, and lay them in the bottom, and we're going to cut that in half. Then take 1/2 of the sausage mixture, put it on top of the lasagna noodles, and spread that out. And then repeat for lasagna noodles. Then put the rest of the sausage mixture on top of the second layer of lasagna noodles and spread that out. Then take the other half of the Alfredo sauce and pour it on top. And and spread that out. Then add your 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. More or less. If you like it really cheesy, I would add more. Then take 4 ounces of the Parmesan cheese and sprinkle that. Put your Cajun chicken lasagna in a preheated 325-degree oven and cook it for 1 hour. So after an hour, I took it out of the oven. We'll set it aside and let it rest for a little bit. So here is the Cajun chicken lasagna. I forgot to put the last layer of lasagna noodles on the top. Less carbs that way. Rounding out the meal is air fryer corn on the cob and garlic Texas toast. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming this is the taste test?
Yes, it is Cajun chicken lasagna.
Oh, sounds interesting. Got a little kick to it.
I think it's supposed to.
That's really good. Is that...
Air fryer corn on the cob.
Oh, goody. She has a video on this corn. It's really good. This is really good, too. I like it. It's got a kick to it, but it's not an overpowering kick, and it's got a good flavor. I really like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.